guys, it's Drifter's Life here, and in today's video I'm going to review my 125cc Znen Chinese bike, who is a replica of the Honda one. Let's give it a start up. So as you can see, I already have 6,000 kilometers. It still works, the gas indicator still works, the RPM gauge still works, so that's a miracle, it still works. The stock mirrors were here. I changed them with these ones from eBay. They were good, but they had a rough time, so they're a little bit loose. Let's start with things I've broke. This broke off. The underplates broke off. Here from the chain also broke off. That's from scrapping my plate. The tire is really fucking small, as you can see. I put the silencer out of the exhaust. That makes a nice noise now. Put the stickers on there to make it nice, but as you can see, the exhaust isn't that good. You see it started rusting and here breaking, and this thing just fucking push it. Okay, so now further ado, let's start it up. So that's it running. I guess it's okay for a cheap bike like that, you know. So yeah guys, let me know what you think of the bike. There's not a lot to say about the bike. It's Chinese. It's not the best, as you can see, like the paint goes off. It's not that good, you know. Shakes a lot, makes a lot of noise, unnecessary noise. Chinese crap. Then you have my friend here. Let's see, fuck you, bitch.
Yeah.